What's going on YouTube? Brad here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the filters on your FASS system. You don't have to use FASS filters, but these filters are awesome. These are the extended filters, so they're a little bit bigger and you'll get a little bit more life out of them. And you can't screw up. It even has the filter location printed on the side, so you know exactly which one goes where. So let's head up underneath the truck and we'll check it out.
We'll get this one out first. Go ahead and break this one for you. This is why we got a drain pan. Let them drain off and then we'll remove them. The new filters come with a new O-ring. The O-ring, you're just going to take it, you're going to slip it over right here. Then you'll take your new filter. Should be able to set it right on top here, just like this. All prepared to get dirty. Now your new water filter should be right here in the front. Oh, messy. And here we go. All right.
All right, we got our new extended filters on. I just think they look better. As you can see them hanging out, it just gives it a little mean look. But we're gonna try to crank the truck. If it doesn't start at first, we'll probably have a little air in the system. So what we'll do is we'll crack open the fuel filter, prime it, get the air out of the system, then crank it. But we'll give it a shot without doing any of that, just to see how it goes. Right up, so that's how you change your FASS fuel filters.